Well, first off, in our compliance-related issues, we're going to be looking at the top errors and omissions insurance claims. And there's some very interesting things and trends that we're seeing. So first off, let's look at the statistics of claims that we're seeing. This is all taken from the RISC Colorado-wide payout totals. And just as a reminder to you, RICE Insurance is the Colorado Division of Real Estate Provider for group E&O insurance coverage. There are other companies, but RICE is the Colorado Division recommended provider. Now, in these totals, we're seeing some very interesting things. So first off, during this period of 2013 to 2015, we saw a total number of closed claims in the amount of about $3.3 million. And claims that are still open are right around $1.2 million. That makes all the total claims, open and closed claims between 2013 and the end of 2015, about $4.5 million. What we're also looking, though, is the amount of payout that is incurred as far as damages with these claims. So all closed claims with payments, the average per claim was $7,537.58. Now, closed claims in which damages were paid are substantially higher, more than twice that, $16,757.58. That's a sizable amount of damage payout. So again, all this information is RISC information only, and again, the statistics here were taken from January 1st of 2013, and they go through January 1st of 2016. So let's look at some of the top claim categories. And essentially what we're looking here is the top 7 of the top 10 list of errors and omissions insurance claims. So let's start with number 7. Let's look at bodily injury and property damage. Now, primarily, property damage or bodily injury that occurs in this case occurs during an open house or occurs because of access through the lockbox, and it primarily is through lockbox violations. Number 6 deals with negligence. We've heard this term quite a bit, but negligence is the failure to use reasonable care which results in damage or injury to another or to property. Number 5 is the failure to restore a security deposit. Now, failure to restore a security deposit can result in additional sanctions to the broker by the Division of Real Estate, and in some cases can also result in criminal prosecution. Just remember, though, the unauthorized retention of security deposits can also be subject to treble, that's triple damages, of the improperly retained security deposit. Number 5 on the list of E&O insurance claims is the breach of the property management agreement. Now, obviously, if you breach an agreement, it can result in additional sanctions by the Division of Real Estate. Number 3, similar to that, but dealing with a breach of your relationship duties with buyers, sellers, landlords, or tenants, is the breach of duties. And this applies to both agency and transaction broker when uniform duties, which we're going to be talking a lot about in today's class, are violated. And when they are violated, it can constitute a violation of license law and can result in the suspension or the revocation of a broker's license. Number 2 on the list is misrepresentation of contract terms. And it goes without saying that misrepresenting contract terms could be both a violation of criminal and of license laws. And number 1 on the list, once again, is escrow or earnest money complaints and earnest money violations. And this speaks for itself. The commingling of funds or the improper handling of funds of others continues to top the list of errors and omissions insurance claims.